Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Wonder. To begin your adventure, you'll need to grasp the fundamental controls. Use the left stick or D-pad to move Mario or his friends left and right, and press the B button to jump. A longer press results in a higher jump, essential for reaching elevated platforms and avoiding enemies. Your primary goal is to reach the flagpole at the end of each stage, but collecting Wonder Seeds and Flower Coins along the way is crucial for unlocking new worlds and challenges. Mastering movement is key to success in Super Mario Wonder. Hold down the Y button to run, allowing you to clear wider gaps and outpace certain enemies. For a powerful attack or to break specific blocks, execute a ground pound by jumping and then pressing the down direction on your control stick. You can also perform a wall jump by leaping towards a wall and pressing the B button again as you make contact, granting access to higher areas. These techniques are vital for navigating the game's diverse environments. Super Mario Wonder introduces exciting new power-ups and the unique Wonder effects. Grab an elephant fruit to transform into Elephant Mario, allowing you to swing your trunk to attack enemies and break blocks. The drill mushroom lets you burrow into the ground or ceiling, providing new ways to traverse levels and avoid danger. The most dynamic element is the Wonder Flower. Touching one triggers a spectacular, often bizarre, transformation of the level itself, leading to unexpected challenges and rewards. Progression in Super Mario Wonder revolves around collecting key items. Each stage contains 3 large flower coins. Collecting these is often necessary for full completion. Wonder Seeds are the primary currency for unlocking new paths on the world map and accessing subsequent worlds. You typically earn 1 Wonder Seed by reaching the flagpole and another by finding the Wonder Flower. Keep an eye out for secret exits, as these can lead to entirely new, hidden stages or provide shortcuts, offering a fresh perspective on your adventure and ensuring you uncover every secret the game holds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.